Check out this crazy modified Porsche Turbo. This has a GT3 touring style carbon fiber hood here. I would imagine that's a factory hood. Fits really well. Really nice carbon fiber lip. These wheels are absolutely ridiculous. Certainly not going to get any performance out of them, but they do look cool. The car's also been lowered. I'm seeing a lot of parts that say 9 design, like this carbon intake scoop here. Side skirts. It's really an aggressive car. Great wing on the back. Love the little carbon fiber trim pieces. That really makes this car. Great color combo too.